over here to the left, Manu, you saw that. The lamia tree over here. We want to be friends with the zoo when that thing starts to have fruit, for sure. Well, I'll tell you, we are always prepared and happy to tell people, no matter where we travel, that we're from Honolulu. And no one could be prouder. And if you cannot hear us, we'll sing a little louder. Because we're from Honolulu and no one could be prouder. And if you cannot hear us, we'll just keep singing. The sound of the sea surrounds me. The sound of the ever-sounding sea. Wind of the west, I'm home, my love, I'm home. There's diamond head, home to be caressed by waves of silver foam. There's diamond time surrounds me. Here I belong, where drums of passion set my heart on fire. Wind, sing me a song of flaming love and mad desire. Oh, my love, am I dreaming? I hear you, I hear you. Oh, my love, I have waited so long to be near you. Once I went away, we're from two different worlds, that's what they said. Who cares what they say? I'm home, my love, I'm home. There's diamond head. I'm home, my love, I'm home. There's diamond head. The sound of the sea surrounds me. The sound of the ever-sounding. Thank you so much, everybody. Sea.